Let us start with how we can create the Angular form with the help of template driven approach. So we have created the new component. Let us try to add a path. So we have created the path login that will open the login page. So this is our app.component.html. Let me add one more link, clicking on which we will be going to that particular login view. /login. Let us run the application. Once we are able to open our view, then we will be adding the controls and we will be creating the Angular form with the help of template driven approach. This is nothing, and let us try to add the forms module. Let us try to add the form page, and we will have two fields, email and password, and one button, that is the login. So this will be our login page. Let me delete this content. This is of no use. Now it is looking good. We have already imported the bootstrap files, so it's better to give some enhancement with the help of bootstrap classes. Let me apply them, and then we will see the template driven form for the login page. Let me just cut and paste inside this container. Now let us add the class. Let us see. So now it is looking good. So we have to add the button class primary, btn primary. Let me add btn. Now it's cool. This is looking the bootstrap form, and this is how we can create the template driven form in Angular. So that's all. Thank you so much.